So you have a Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or the S20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to turn your screen time out on to never. In other words, your phone will always stay awake. Now the only thing is you have to have your phone charging. So either you have to have it plugged in or you have to use a wireless charger. Okay, as long as it's on there, your screen's never going to go to sleep like this. Now the thing is, even though you have to keep it charging in order for the screen to never turn off, there are apps that you can use where your screen will never turn off, but I don't recommend those because if you download those apps, basically what it does is, it'll keep your screen timeout on to never, so it'll never go to sleep. But the thing is, if you have those apps, they burn a lot of battery juice. Plus, if your display is on, it even constantly drains even more battery juice on top of that, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna show you how to enable it, how to get here so your phone always stays awake while it's charging. Doesn't matter if it's via cable or on a wireless charger. So here's the setting right here. It says stay awake. Screen will never sleep while charging, okay? The thing is, you have to go ahead and turn this on. And what you have to do first is you have to enable developer options. So let me go ahead and turn developer options off. So let's start from the beginning, okay? So first thing is go ahead and swipe up, and then you want to go into your settings here. And then from your settings, you want to scroll all the way down to the very bottom here, okay? The very bottom here says about phone. Once we enable developer options, it'll show up below about phone. So let's go ahead and enable developer options first. So tap on about phone. And now you want to tap on software information right here. And now we see build number. You want to tap that like 7 times. So go ahead and just keep tapping and you'll get a countdown down here. You're 2 steps away, 1 step away. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and put in my password to my phone, and I'm going to go ahead and click on done. Now it says developer mode has been turned on. Now, if I go ahead and tap on the back button here and go back one more time, now the last one before was about phone, right? But if I scroll down, I got something else now, developer options. So I can go ahead and tap on developer options right here, and then we have stay awake right here. Now right now my screen timeout is set for 15 seconds. So once 15 seconds is up, basically what's going to happen is my phone's going to get dim like right now, and then after a couple more seconds it's going to turn black, it's going to go to sleep, and then it's going to lock. Okay, so it's black right now, and now my phone is actually locked. Okay, so let me go ahead and go back into my phone. Let's log in here. Now let's do this. Let's go ahead and tap on stay awake. So I tap on that. Now the only thing I got to do is go ahead and pop it on my wireless charger, and the screen is never going to go to sleep. Or I can just go ahead and use a cable here, pop that in here. The only thing that's going to happen is it's going to get like a little bit dim after 15 seconds, but it's never going to go completely black. Okay, so give it like another 7 more seconds, and it's okay. So it gets dim right there, and basically it's never going to go to sleep. Okay, but if you want the phone to go to sleep, then obviously you can just go ahead and click on the power button and just let it go to sleep by itself. Okay, but once you go ahead and turn it back on, and even if you leave it on this screen here, it's still never going to go to sleep. Okay, now if you want to go back into the if you want to go ahead and disable developer options, what you can do is just go back into your phone, and then what you can simply do is just tap on where it says on right here. Go ahead and tap on or toggle it off, and now if I go back, now there's nothing on about phone. If I want to re-enable developer options again, then I would have to tap on about phone again, and then software information, and tap the build number like 7 times. So pretty simple to do.